Home automation, asset tracking, secure medical peripherals, industrial IoT sensors, and other devices need to support transitions from classic Bluetooth to environments that only support Bluetooth LE. Laird Connectivity Vela IF820 development kits, available from Mouser Electronics, leverage Laird's flexible range of Vela IF820 dual-mode Bluetooth modules with options for integrated or external antennas. The modules are based on the Infineon AirRock CYW20820 and support hosted or hostless operation with a powerful 96 MHz ARM Cortex M4 core, large on-chip memories, and a wide range of peripherals. The development kits are designed for evaluation and prototyping of the Vela IF820 module. They also include an RP2040 to provide a USB UART bridge, plus buttons and LEDs for user interaction. Users can access the module's pins through headers, measure the module's current, and add hardware via the quick connector or microbus socket.